Ladies and gentlemen, our endocrine systems are under attack. If you want a balanced endocrine system where you're absorbing the estrogen and testosterone that you were blessed with, listen closely. Number one, purify your water. There are microplastics in it. This means that your endocrine systems will be disrupted. Your testosterone will be limited and your sperm count will drop. If you're having trouble conceiving, if you're having trouble building muscle mass, purify your water either with an RO system, reverse osmosis, or just get distilled water and remineralize it. You gotta remineralize it, or else that water, which wants ions, RO water, distilled water, been stripped of ions. And so it will take it from your body and dehydrate you, defeating the purpose. So you want to put at least magnesium, potassium, and salt back into that water mix. And that will give you more hydrating water. You won't have to drink as much over time, and it won't have the microplastics that disrupt the human system in them. Number two, we gotta get rid of the polyester. I'm sorry, but the stretchy pants have gotta go. I myself threw out $2,000 worth of clothes because I found out the dark secret about polyester. It is an ester. Estrogen is also an ester. Polyester is a double strength estrogenic molecule. So when you put it against your skin, especially guys, you're taking in a double strength estrogen. If you go to the gym and you're wearing polyester, you're hamstringing yourself because you will not be able to produce enough testosterone to overcome the toxic estrogenic load on your system. You weren't designed for estrogen. Women, if you're having heavy periods, painful periods, if you have hormone disruption, also take a look at what you're wearing. I know they're cute. I know the Lululemons are amazing, but they are also toxic to the system. You're not supposed to get that much estrogen. There are definitely alternatives. Look into it. Number three, Shilajit. You want minerals in your system. Minerals help cells function at optimal levels. They replenish the electrochemical potential of the cells. They're like the spark plugs of the cells, the building blocks even. So you need the minerals. Our diets, highly processed foods that have been monocrop farmed, it's like they don't have the same mineral content. Shilajit has 52 of our essential minerals in it, and it also has a godsend molecule called carbon-60. When they gave carbon-60 to rats, just in that pure form, the rats lived 90% longer than normal rats because it is such a potent antioxidant. They're also studying it for drug delivery because whatever it touches, it takes into it. And so then it will take that and pass it across the cell's membrane, and the cell is like, yep, it's good to go, bring it in, just because of the shape of the molecule. So basically, you put those 52 different minerals in with this carbon-60 carrier molecule, and it gets delivered directly into your cells. A multivitamin cannot boast that because it's not generally in a bioavailable form unless you buy it like that. So take some Shilajit, forget the powdered stuff, forget the cheap stuff, go for the top shelf. It's resonated and it works. Number three, you gotta get rid of pesticide food. Pesticides have all sorts of toxic synergies that go on. What that means is they will interact with other stuff in our environment and other stuff that we're exposed to and that we eat. Glyphosate interacts with a range of things in toxic synergies and will basically disrupt your endocrine system. The big one is atrazine, because atrazine turns functional male frogs into functional female frogs. So if you're at the gym, but you're still eating pesticide-ridden food, it's like you're hamstringing yourself again. So just take a look at these things. I know, short video. We can go into deeper, lengthier stuff later. But purify your water. Don't wear polyester. Take some Shilajit. Mineralize yourself. And don't eat pesticide-ridden foods. Until next time.